Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here. It's 12:46 p.m. on June 29th, 2016. What I have here is an Emerson. I believe this is called a Casablanca Classic, but major childhood fan. You know, not the brown version. Ones I remember were in the white version, but the hardware store in town had one, but police station had one. Gas station had a small one. Actually, hardware store had a small one and a big one, but anyway, yeah, I salvaged this from the shop next to the Fancave, actually, in the same building. He said he never used it because it wobbled a lot, and so I gave him one of my Hampton Bay Industrials, you know, the SMC ones, and took this. It worked out really well. We're both happy. So we've got fast. Yeah, and it does wobble quite a bit. Makes me a little nervous about my rig I have up here. Hopefully it's not going to rip it out of the ceiling, but the whole thing's not going to collapse on me as I speak. But, oh well, at least I'll die with a smile on my face, you know. Always anticipated a fan-related death for myself. And as I recall, one in the hardware store and the one in the police station, well, actually the big one in the hardware store was always on low. The small one was always on fast or medium, I couldn't tell. Never saw either one of them off, but the one in the police station was always on slow. One in the car play, actually the one in the gas station, I mean, now it's a like used car dealer, but one of those like fancy used car dealers that they have all like, you know, BMWs, Mercedes and whatnot, and they have one of those Hampton Bay Industrials, the 3 Gossamer blades, the plastic ones, and but there used to be one of these Emerson 36, the small 36 or 38 inch, whatever they are. I love the slow setting on these. I think it's a beautiful fan. Now, it's a bit dusty with wood dust and stuff, you know, it hasn't been obviously cleaned ever, so, because it was way up there, it was pretty high, so it doesn't surprise me no one ever cleaned it. And get the spin down here. Alright, now I'll show you guys the shop where, yeah, this is the Fancave right here. As you can tell, there's a lot of wood dust and stuff on top of it, but yeah, I'll show you the shop that I extracted it from. Yep, it's right where this SMC is. Oh, hey Bruce, just getting a little video of the SMC of the ceiling fan. So I wasn't gonna steal it back, I promise.
My guy threw away that other one. It's like, that's stupid.
Oh no.
We don't throw any metal away, you know?
Sure. Oh, you can scrap it. Yeah, yeah.
You know, some people just have this attitude. Is like, I'm pissed, and actually he left. He left for the day.
Jeez. Yeah, that's too bad.
Yeah, I know. People, I tell you, employees are tough.
Hey, you know, it's one of those things, right?
I've been